Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Today, Nifty opened with a big gap up. After that, there was continuous momentum towards the downside. Now, at what level did Nifty started to move towards the downside? If you remember, in our yesterday analysis video, we had discussed about this resistance. I had clearly said that market as of now, it is overvalued. People will not have confidence to enter a call option trade even if market opens with a gap up. Also, I had told that next trade cut decision might be somewhere around 17th or 18th of September. That is the good news. Until then, market might tend to stay volatile, right? This is what we had discussed. So from this level, market started to move towards the downside and it took support near 25,255. Again, it showed some recovery. Now this supporting area, we had discussed about this early morning itself in our private telegram group. As soon as the market opened, we had discussed about some important support and resistance level both for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty was near this resistance. I said Nifty is near trendline resistance and near all-time high. Need to wait. If Nifty comes down, we need to see how it reacts near 25,255 support, right? This is the supporting area. Now in Bank Nifty, my view was bullish. When Bank Nifty came here, I said still Bank Nifty not giving any closing below 51,400, no put option trade. At 9:27, the view was clear where I said, please note Nifty is at all-time high level, so planning for call option in Nifty is not a good idea. Apart from that, Nifty has less space to move up. Bank Nifty on the other hand, it is respecting our support where it has good space to move towards the upside. Even if Bank Nifty corrects and goes below 51,400, there is a chance that when Nifty comes close to 0.236 level of Fibonacci level support, Bank Nifty can start reversing. Later point of day, I've shared this 2 minutes video explaining my current view about both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now this video I have forwarded to our free Telegram channel also. You can go and check it out. When Bank Nifty started correcting, I said 51,340 to 51,335. Please mark this level on the chart. My view about the market as of now is on the call option side. From there, Bank Nifty started moving towards the upside, gave close to 100 points move. Now once support level is broken, it can act as a resistance, right? But since our entry was at the bottom, I prefer to hold on to the trade because if Bank Nifty goes above 51,500, we can capture a decent momentum towards the upside. Next, I conducted a poll asking what is the current situation. More people were on call option trade. So here I had said, call option buyers in Bank Nifty, important to trail stop loss. CE trade in Nifty has more risk as of now at all-time high level. At 11:30, I had said that. But PE traders in Nifty, days high will be the maximum SL and we need to be very careful when market goes to 25,225 level. I'd also informed to avoid fresh call option trade in Bank Nifty as long as there is a breakout. Later point of day, I've shared this video where I have explained my view about Nifty where continuously market moved towards the downside. Expectation was from the support level, Nifty can start reversing, and Bank Nifty also, even if it has fallen so much, planning for put option is not a good idea because my expectation is from this level, Bank Nifty will move towards the upside to hunt stop loss. The final update I had given somewhere around 12:53 where I had said Nifty has moved to the support zone. Therefore, if Nifty holds this level or starts moving up, we can expect the pending Bank Nifty momentum towards the upside. As per our expectation, did Bank Nifty go? Yes, it did. And Nifty also, you can see it sustained above this level. Now this 1 o'clock update, what I shared in private Telegram group, I've shared that even in the free Telegram channel also. You can go and check it out. How to join the free Telegram channel? You can scan this QR code. Link also is provided in the description box below. Now my team said some people were asking discount to join private Telegram group. You can use this coupon code where you can get 500 rupees off. If you're interested, you can join. If you're not interested, no problem. Now, what you can expect from this private Telegram group, it is not any calls or tips. I'll keep sharing my view. And as per my understanding, where market is setting trap, all of those things I would explain for educational purpose only. There's an important disclaimer video before joining the private Telegram group. I would suggest you to watch that so that you set the right expectation of what you can expect from this group. Now post 2 o'clock, market was a bit volatile both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Yesterday only we have discussed post 2 o'clock it is better that we avoid the market. So these are the things which happened in the market today. Now let's quickly discuss about what kind of trading setup we have for tomorrow. Traders, what you're looking at right now is a chart of Nifty 15 minutes time frame. Yesterday, the resistance and supporting trend line which we have marked for Nifty can play an important role even in tomorrow's market. How will that happen? Let me explain to you. You can see Nifty as of now, it is moving towards the upside, forming higher lows and higher highs. Now this area became the first support, this is the second support, and third time if Nifty breaks this level, what would happen? Many people would be interested in a put option trade. Now the trapping zone can be, you can see there is a gap here, right? Market can give a breakdown here. After creating a false breakdown, market can start reversing. That is the importance of this trend line. Now, what are these levels from where you can expect a reversal in the market? It would be somewhere around 25,130 and 25,160. These are the areas where you need to be careful when Nifty gives a breakdown. Simply what you can do is after Nifty gives a breakdown, mark a trend line like this. If Nifty sustains above this trend line, then with small stop loss, we can be looking for call option trade. This is the first setup. Now, if you're planning for put option trade, how usually market moves towards the downside? It will form a high, it will form a low, a lower high, and then a lower low. We have discussed this lower low can be a trap. So patiently what we will do, we will wait for market to correct. In case there is selling pressure from this supporting zone, market moves towards the upside. Here we will mark a trend line. From there, if Nifty breaks, then with small stop loss, we will plan for a put option trade where our first target will be 25,070. If Nifty is extremely bearish, the second target will be 25,500. This is a psychological level. If this level is broken, we can expect another 100 points movement. So before entering a put option at this breakdown, it is important that we wait for a retracement and then Nifty has to break this level where stop loss can be small. If market hits the stop loss, no problem. But if it moves towards the downside, we can capture bigger movement in the market. You can see at the upper level, the range is becoming narrow. So this is a bearish setup. After consolidation, we can consider a put option trade. Immediately at this breakdown, if we enter, there is a high probability that we will end up in trap, so please avoid that. US market is closed for today, so we cannot get the global sentiment. But by chance, if Nifty opens within this range, between today's high and yesterday's close, it is better that we avoid any kind of trade within this range. We will wait for a better setup. In case Nifty again gives a breakout, moves towards the upside, like I've already discussed at all-time high level, I'm not interested in a call as long as there is any good setup. Based on how Nifty moves during the live market from this area after gap up, only then we can decide which direction we have more probability of entering the trade. So those details I'll be sharing with you during the live market in the private Telegram group. Now traders, many people wanted me to speak about FinNifty because tomorrow is expiry. So there's a 1 hour time frame chart. I personally during the live market do not look at FinNifty that much. But let me quickly discuss about what kind of price action FinNifty is doing right now. You see I've drawn it here 23,760. Previously this was the zone from where market started correcting. FinNifty has closed somewhere here. So this area becomes the resistance area and this level 23,490. This becomes our supporting area. This area was resistance. Once this level is broken, it is acting as support. Now let me quickly switch to 15 minutes time frame. Now here you can see this trend line is acting as good supporting area and this trend line is acting as good resistance. Now FinNifty as of now, it is in a rising wedge pattern. This is a bearish setup where market can move towards the downside, but still based on how market is moving right now, it is better that we wait for FinNifty to go below 23,490 level. This is a psychological level 23,500. So if market retests and gives a breakdown, looking for put option trade at this zone is a good idea where the support level would have been broken. Next, FinNifty has a chance of moving up to 23,300 level. FinNifty is an uptrend. Now simply at this breakdown, if we plan for a put option trade immediately at this breakdown, then there is a high chance that we will end up in trap. So to capture bigger movement, we will wait for FinNifty to go below this 23,500 level. Then planning for put option trade would be better. Now in case FinNifty opens with a gap up, starts moving towards the upside, this resistance trend line will now act as support. Since FinNifty has already tested this levels before, Nifty has space to move towards the upside, but still since this is a bearish setup, if you are entering a call option trade, it is better that we plan for the trade with very less risk for the trade. So after this breakout, we will wait for some correction. If again base high is broken, small risk, we'll be looking for call option trade. In case FinNifty opens within this range itself and it is just consolidating, it is better that we wait. This resistance can act as support. If this support level is broken, we will be considering a put option trade. So I hope view about FinNifty is clear. Immediately at this breakdown, planning for put option is not a good idea. The main supporting area is 23,500. If market goes below this, we will be trying to capture bigger movement. If it opens with a gap up, then we will wait for retest. This resistance can act as support. If market goes above day's high with small stop loss, we'll be looking for call. Within this range, if market is trading, better to avoid. Later, if this breaks, then we can expect the next momentum towards the downside where we will be looking for put option trade. So this is about Fin Nifty. Now let's look into Bank Nifty. Traders, this is Bank Nifty chart 15 minutes time frame. On this chart, I marked this trend line because it is acting as good resistance. Today Bank Nifty tried to break 51,500 level, but it failed. We could see a quick reversal. In the future, if Bank Nifty breaks this upper level, or I can say today's high gives a strong closing, with small stop loss, we can be looking for call option trade for an upward movement because Bank Nifty has space to move towards the upside. In the future, these areas will be the next target, which is 51,800 level. In case Bank Nifty opens within this range, from 30th market is within this range, so at this zone, planning for any kind of trade is not a good idea. In case Bank Nifty gives a breakdown, previously this area was acting as a resistance. Once it is broken, it is acting as support, and we also have this trend line support. After this trend line support, if market after filling this gap, if it is showing any bearish setup, only then we'll be looking for put option trade. Immediately at this breakdown, we'll be not looking for any call. Previously Bank Nifty was in this box. Now it is trading in this box. If it comes out of this box with small stop loss, we'll be looking for put option trade, where our next target towards the downside will be 51,000 level. If this psychological level is broken after the retest, then Bank Nifty we can expect bigger momentum towards the downside to reach 50,800 level. If this happens, later we will identify important support and resistance. Later we'll be looking for our entry or exit plan. Bank Nifty as of now, it is trading in a very tight range. So it is important that we trade very carefully here. Only if you find the setup that we want, we'll be looking for trade. At random places, planning for any kind of trade is not a good idea. So this is the setup of Bank Nifty as of now. Further details will be shared in the pre-market report tomorrow morning. Live market update will be shared in the private Telegram group. Now, if you enjoyed this analysis, share your support by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If you think this content will be useful for your friends, please share it with them. Now that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.